How to remove stains from marble floors. Dear friends, getting stains on your marble floors is inevitable, but how you take care of those stains, and how quickly, can make all the difference in keeping your floors looking new. Fresh stains. Treat stains as soon as you notice them because the marble could absorb the stain deeper into the grain. Depending on if your floors are sealed, bright colored stains could seep into the finish very quickly. Blot up any stains with a paper towel or clean cloth, then rub the stained area with white vinegar. Wash off the area with dish soap and water. Rinse the area with a clean, damp cloth, and dry the floor. Repeat this process multiple times as needed. Set stains. If you find a stain after it's set, you're going to need more stain-fighting power and elbow grease. Stains from food items, particularly coffee, tea, and fruit, can penetrate the marble and leave a nasty stain. Instead of vinegar, use hydrogen peroxide to treat these stains. Simply pour enough hydrogen peroxide to cover the stain and let it sit for 30 minutes. Wipe the area with a clean, damp cloth and buff the area dry. Voila! Stain-free marble. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.